We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey everybody, it's Jordan over at Onyx, and today we are going to show you how to clean the scanner glass, and we are working with a Canon G7020. So first you're going to open the top, and you're going to take your favorite glass cleaner and pour it on a lint-free cloth. You don't want to pour it directly on there because it could seep in there. So just wipe it like so. Get this big strip of glass, and then you also have the skinny one on the left over here. Make sure you get that one good too, so you don't have any dots or specks on your prints. You can set that down, and that should make sure you're good to go. If you have any questions or need supplies or a quote, give us a call. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.